Finger in here, she's going off.
All right, I'm ready.
Whoa! Holy shit!
Holy balls. Hold on. When something hit right here.
Yeah, just
This.
I might need to back your truck up.
Whoa.
That thing come right over my head. Yeah, come right. It was coming back. I ducked.
The remnants.
I got a new baby last night.
Pieces, parts of microwave everywhere.
Here's the transonic reducer.
The aftermath.
Nothing.
Down to nothing. Bye-bye microwave.
Ready? You all. I'm ready. You ain't do shit.
Hit it in the wrong spot.
I don't think they all went on.
That's a weak ass Tannerite. Should have closed the door.
All right, we're going to have another mannequin explosion. How much Tannerite we got in the mannequin this time?
A pound.
1 pound.
Oh,
Boom!
oh my God! Awesome!
There goes the wig.
Kill the rabbit. Kill the rabbit.
Oh, we got to get some more mannequins now.
No more 1 pound of Tannerite. And a blue tube with a volleyball. Whoa! Boom!
That's something with a rag bomb.
Look what it did to the board.
The board has been split. No more board.
Look on the small door, 1 foot down. It's just above that.
There's 2 pieces of duct tape.
Yeah, the lower piece is the one Mark put there.
I licked it and stuck a little small chunk on the door.
Licked it.
There it goes. Much better.
Nice shot.
It blew the door off.
It blew both fucking
Got the full pull.
It's a little more bent up.
Ratchet strapped them with something.
Wobbler pin. It's a Norge. If a Paula, get the butter.
The carnage. The door. The refrigerator. It has seen its better days, boys and girls.
Let's roll this up.
I thought I told you to go grocery shopping.
Back to back.
222, 250, back to back. We got,
Ready?
hold on, we got 1 pound of Tannerite. Hold on, let me back it off a little bit. So we get the full effect of the explosion. Ears on. All right, we're ready.